When life gives you pumpkins, you make pumpkin puree. To help us do that, we have our very own Bell helicopter with help from pilot Marshall and maintenance tech Luke.
With aviation communities from the East Coast all the way up to Alaska taking part in annual pumpkin drops, we wanted in on this smashing good time as well. But we're keeping it simple to hit our target by hovering just 100 feet over a large tarp at Pioneer Airport. While every precaution was taken to ensure the safety of participants, spectators, and the environment, we can't quite say the same about these pumpkins.
With that, it's time for the squash to splatter.